So you know how like we've got this baby coming and that. I was thinking should maybe do it like properly and that. So I was thinking that like
Mate, you've been taking a piss.
you're in the way, bro. I'm
Mate.
trying to do something here.
Yeah,
no,
what are you doing in the shop like that?
Wait.
Oh, don't tell me wait, mate.
Wait!
And you can't
I haven't opened the box yet. God.
Oh, marry me.
Bro, get your milk out of my face,
Sorry.
man. I'm trying to propose to my girlfriend.
Bro,
You trying to disrespect me, yeah?
You guys are in the way.
What do you mean I'm in the way?
This is just
I'm not in no one's way. What you
Hey, yaar, jaldi karo boss. Hey, jaldi karo yaar.
Stay out of this. So why don't we just do it?
You
You need to do better.
proposing to me in our
Let me do-
local corner shop.
Corner shop. This place is expensive.
This one is KSK Food and Wine.
What do you? Hey, don't get involved. Yeah.
This not corner shop is KSK Food and Wine.
Me.
I know that, but I'm trying to get you married so you don't have to.
I'm not
What
accepting
you
your
need?
marriage request in
Bro.
this corner shop, babe.
Bro, this is expensive place. What do you think I am?
Babe, look at the cheap
You
ring
think
you
I'm
got
Donald
me.
Trump? I could fly you to like Paris or something. Do me a favour.
Babe.
Look, it's a gorgeous
Where'd you get the
ring.
ring from?
What do you mean?
Market, did you?
Does it matter where I got the ring from?
Market.
River Island. Bro,
Babe.
get out my way. This got.
Babe, you having a laugh? You got my engagement ring from River Island.
It's a nice shop. It's fancy. I thought you liked River Island.
Congratulations.
Shut up, man. Shut up, man. Here,
I'm
look,
having a laugh.
just try it. You might like it. What are you doing?
Take your ring and take me. Get out of the shop
That
now.
cost me £17, bro. Bro.
You ain't having this baby with me either. If you tell you change that ring and go and spend the money that you get
Yeah.
from gambling for the fucking ring.
Yeah, well, when I'm living on my yacht, yeah, you're not coming, yeah?
I don't give
If
a
you want to
fuck.
buy energy drinks, sir, you can buy energy drink.
Shut up, bro.
Sir, this is insane. Oh, God.